Welcome to English with Leanne. Today's idiom is a long face. Okay, a long face. What is a long face? It is a sad face, maybe a depressed face, a little melancholy, like. And we use this in a few different ways. I'm going to go through 3 different uses that you can use this idiom in and how much I hear them. That's the key. So the first one is with a verb, which is to pull a long face. And to pull a long face means to make a sad face. Now, he pulled a long face, he made a long face, or he made a sad face. That's what it's saying. Now, this is not something I had actually heard of before I looked up a long face. And I just don't hear it. But it's definitely used. So I might not add this to things I would use, but I would definitely make sure I understood it. Okay? And our second use here is definitely a little more common, and if we put with in front of a long face, we could say he showed up with a long face. And we're saying that he showed up and he was sad, or he looked sad. So if you put the with in front of it, this is something I would hear a bit more than to pull a long face. But the one that we hear the most is the sentence, why the long face? And this is asking someone, why are you so sad? And a long face, this idiom has been around since the 1700s. And when we think about this idiom and your face is sad, it gets longer. And that's where it comes from. When you're making a sad face. So that's what it means to pull a long face, or to see someone with a long face, or when you ask someone why the long face. And again, why the long face is a very common and easy way to use this expression. So good luck.